Car stuff, car stuff. Always so much car stuff. It's cold in the garage. Got a little heater going. Man, I found my tripod. Not sure where it's at. We're gonna tackle taking this headliner out. And we found our tripod. Let me bring the other car. Oh, don't want to swap paint. Let's jump on this and knock this headliner out. Not sure if you were watching, we got the headliner out of here. So, a little bit of fun. There are, boy, this thing's put together really nice. There's backlights in the back. I broke one of the attachment points there. I bent this poor little guy right here, but I think actually I can fix that. It'll go back in place. And then this center console piece up here is already incredibly brittle. So it fell apart, came to pieces. I mean, it kind of is what it is. But not too much damage. All my screws are locked up in a bag here, so I'll make sure that I keep all this stuff safe and sound where I need it. We have a new headliner, our new headliner material coming our way, so we'll be able to clean that up. And I am gonna pull this back out. I'm gonna call it a night. I have to tell you, this car is just, you know, talk about Alfas. It's incredibly well made. A lot of quality pieces and parts and stuff in here. The way the trim and everything is set up, it's not in bad condition at all. So, but we're gonna get this put away, out of the way. We'll let Julia's car come back in here because that's the overhead console. This piece is still good. There's a piece I'm gonna have to glue back on here, but the center surround piece on that is broken. I think that's a common issue on these cars. So you got pieces of it here, and it's black, and it's that European black that gets all over your fingers and everything. A little bit of material and debris in there. This thing's pretty cool the way it goes in and pops out. That was nice, but we are set. I think I may take a little bit more time here and replace this driver's side. Of that you caught it, big pull door panel off, and we have our new mirror on, which this one was busted and broken and glued together, and this one had the wrong electrical connectors. It actually looks bigger than that one. So let's see that I think that they're quite the same size, but what do you expect from eBay? I'll slam the guy later. At least I got a mirror. I'll get it adjusted. But got that, got the headliner out. So that's all out. Get that cleaned up. New headliner showing up this weekend. We'll get that put in and gotta figure out these wheels.